Good morning, students. Today we learn introduction of probability, chapter number 15. Now, what is probability? Probability is nothing but it is a study of uncertain situation. So, basically, first we study about events. Now, how many types of events are there? There are three types of event. First is impossible event, second is possible but not certain event, and third one is certain type of event. Now, impossible event means which type of event? Like as example, tomorrow will be Monday. It is not possible because tomorrow will be Thursday. That's why it is called impossible event. Sun set in east. It is not possible. Sun set in west. So it is impossible event. Now second type is what? Possible but not certain. Possible but not certain. Example for that, when I flip a coin, chances of head on a coin, it may be or it not may be. Now it is called possible but not certain event. And third one is certain type of event. Certain type of event means what? So tomorrow will be Thursday. Yes, of course, tomorrow will be Thursday. Sun set in west only. Yes, sun set in west only. Sunrise in east only. Yes, sunrise in east only. It is called certain type of event. Now, probability of impossible event is always taking 0. Probability of possible but not certain type of event is in between 0 and 1. It may be 0.5, 0.05, 0.99, whatever. But between 0 and 1. Not a 0, not a 1. Between 0 and 1. Probability of certain type of event is always 1. Now, you have one question. I know. How we find a probability of such type of event? For find probability, we have formula. Probability equals to what? To favorable outcome upon total outcome. Now, we understand this formula using some basic examples. The basic example first. Find the probability of getting head on a coin. First of all, when I flip a coin, how many chances, total outcomes are there? So it may be head or it may be tail. Means total outcome is what? 2. And how many times it will be head? So only one time, because when I flip a single coin, chances of head is what? 1. Or chances of tail is also what? 1. So probability equals to what? As I said, favorable outcome upon total outcome. The favorable outcome is what? 1. And total outcome is what? 2. So probability equals to what? 1 upon 2. Now second example, if I throw a single die, then find the probability of getting even numbers on die, odd numbers on die, prime numbers on die, and number 2. Only 2. First of all, when I throw a die, what are the total outcomes? It may be 1, it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4, or it may be 5, or it may be 6. Means total outcome is what? 6. Now what we have to find? First one is probability of even numbers. So how many even numbers are there in a die? There are 3 even numbers. It is 2, it is 4, and it is 6. So there are 3 numbers, 2, 4 and 6. How many are there? 3. So favorable outcome is what? 3. Total outcome is what? 6. So probability is what? 3 upon 6. And probability is what? 1 upon 2. Cutting it, 1 upon 2. Is that clear? Sure. Okay, now forward. Probability of getting odd numbers. So first, total outcomes remain same when I throw a single die. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Means total outcome is what? 6. Now for favorable outcome for odd numbers. So how many odd numbers are there? So it is 1, it is 3, it is 5. So how many totals? 3. So favorable outcome is what? 3. Total outcome is what? 6. So probability of getting odd number is what? 1 upon 2. Now prime numbers. You remember prime number means what? Prime numbers means it comes in on own table. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, dash. But in between 1 to 6, prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. How many totals? 3. So favorable outcome is what? 3. And total outcome, you know, 6. So probability is what? 1 upon 2. Now, getting a single digit number on a die, either it will be 1, either it will be 2, either it will be 3, 4, 5 or 6. I take example for number 2. Chances of getting 2 on a die is what? Only one time. So favorable outcome is what? 1. And total outcome, as I say, 6. So probability is what? Favorable outcome upon total outcome. Favorable outcome is 1 and total outcome is what? 6. So it is 1 upon 6. Clear? Okay, thank you.